Hey everyone. So the next thing I want to show you here, say you're researching a topic and there's a lot of terminology involved, and we all love Wikipedia, but we know that we can't actually cite that in a bibliography or a works cited page. So I want to show you a source that's a lot more credible where you can find a lot of encyclopedia type information. So this is also in your group for IB Extended Essay. If you scroll down, remember these are all alphabetical. We're looking for Credo Reference. So we're going to open that now. And notice that every time I open a new database, it opens up in a new tab up at the top. So again, this is like a very credible Wikipedia. There's a lot more to it than that, but I think that's a pretty good basic explanation. So we're going to stick with our autism topic. So autism treatments. And it's suggesting autism therapies. So this is a great example of what I talked about in the previous video on Academic Search Premier, that sometimes you just have to learn other search terms or vocabulary words for your topic and for your information searches. So we'll go with this. One great feature is this web over here. So it gives you this web of words that are related to what you typed in. So you can click on these alternative therapies, and then it gives you a new word cloud and changes your search results on the left. So that is super, super cool, especially if you're a visual learner. So you can use that. I'm going to go back though. So you can see here, these are my search results. You can narrow them down based on what you're looking for. Subject terms. If you wanted images or audio, you could do that. So just basically to show you examples though, it tells you in large font where it's from. So a lot of these are from very credible encyclopedias. And we don't buy print encyclopedias in libraries anymore because they're expensive, and information changes so quickly that online really is the way to go. And actually a lot of companies don't publish these anymore anyway because it's so expensive to do that. So anyway, you see a lot of encyclopedia information sources here that are very credible. So we're going to just click on one, and here are some key concept words for you that you can click on. Again, that just goes back to that whole search term idea. So we'll open this one, and here is your entry. So this can be very, very helpful, this database, okay? And you also have the bibliography here at the end where you can find even more resources. So this is very, very helpful. At the very bottom, here is your citation, again, that you just copy and paste, depending on which one you need to use. And it shows you the cover of the book where this article came from, which is really, really cool. So here you go. This looks a little bit different from Academic Search Premier. This is from a company called Infobase, but you do have the same features here. Here's your citation. If you want to print this. Now, this is a little different. You have a share button here. You can print a PDF. Here's your export to Google Drive. And then you choose the citation format. Oh, I forgot to press full text. I don't know if you caught that. I haven't done this yet. So here I have to allow Credo Reference to access my Google Drive. And I will do that because that is safe. The internet just went out on me a minute ago, so hopefully this works. And then this is nice. It opened right up to my Google Drive. So this is a little bit different as well. Every database, the companies can be different. So this database actually created a folder with the name of the database, so Credo, and then in it is the Google Doc that was the article I saved. So there you go. And then I have to click on it in here, and it takes me back to the database. But it did give me, remember I checked I wanted APA, so it did give me the citation, so I can just copy and paste that. But here you go. We went back to Credo. So just to recap, Credo Reference is a great way to start your research. If you're not really sure where you want to start, it'll help you learn a lot of search terms that are related to your topic. And it's a great alternative to Wikipedia, which is great. You can start there, but you could actually cite these sources, whereas you're not going to cite Wikipedia. Okay, that's all for this one.